Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google partner company. In this video, I'm going to tell you about how to recover Google Ads account which is suspended immediately after being created. So this was one such case with our client. Okay, the client is an old and he has been regularly working with us. So he has a patience with us. So when he opted for the new account, we also sell accounts as well. So when he opted for the new account, he got it, but he didn't immediately start it. He took us a while, like 2 3 months, and when the account he started a campaign, and the account immediately got suspended. So how we recovered this client? In this video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step strategy on how we recovered the account. So just to let you know that we operate multiple MCCs, my client manager, because we are a Google partner company. We have multiple accounts, we have multiple agencies being running on, and it is doesn't not necessarily mean that we may show you account from another MCC. It may fluctuate depending upon what country, what audience, what niche you are in. So because we also have to look around on risk factors, we also provided the structures on how you can stay safe while buying your account. We do a lot of stuff over here. So this was the case. So I'm here with an account because this is an account. Again, every other day you may find another account being suspended, and then because we operate multiple MCCs, so every MCC scenario is different. So this is an account, and I'm going to show you as well that the account is unsuspended. Okay, what exactly happened was that as soon as the client entered the billing details, as soon as the client created a campaign, the account got immediately suspended. So that is a cause of issue for them. Now you can see that a spend is now being running on the account because the account is now unsuspended. So what exactly we did? Okay, there are a few things. First of all, we did a huge or detailed audit checkout. We have a 170 step. Okay, how we got this 170 step checklist is because after doing continuously account being restored on Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, we compiled a list. We also, when there is a Google Ads disapproved case, we also study what are the reasons. We also, keep a file of them, and combinedly, 170 steps is a huge checklist which we started using for account restoration, and that has made our process quicker and faster. So we got the case, we started working on it, and we did a thorough review of the account, we did a thorough review of the website, we did a malware check, we did a even eight case in case if your Google business profile, if in case if you don't know, let's say you know if I write a pizza near me, and in case if I look around this business profile, and if I compare it with their website, and if the phone number or address is different on the over here and on the website, that can also cause your account to be suspended. In case if you are unnecessary including any words such as any content, any claim on your website, that can also cause suspension on Google Ads. In case if you have broken links, in case if you have low speed issues, in case if you're trying to scam, mislead, misinformation, circumventing system, unacceptable business practices follow policy. In case if also Google thinks that your website may be harmful to your visitors, in again Google can suspend your account. In case if you are actually deceiving your customers, again your website can be suspended as well. No, I'm not saying you to deceive you, I'm just telling you the Google practices. Now Google is very strict, and every other day they are becoming more and more strict, and that is why we often see further accounts being suspended every other day. So this was the case for Google Ads being suspended. So when we arrive, we look around on all the factors. We, as a Google partner company, we have a dedicated support from Google. We discuss with them, and we said to them that our client is genuine, has does not have any issues. We look on the thorough checklist, but we looked on everything, and luckily there was no change needs to be done because everything was working fine, well and fine, and we were able to get the account back up and running in 72 hours. I'm not saying that 72 hours is our standard time, and it may fluctuate, but that was the time when we were able to get the account back up and running. So yeah, this is a successful case study. You can see over here as well that the account is unsuspended. So in case if you need Google Ads, Google Merchant Center, Google Business Profile, Facebook Ads, restoration services, or even Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO, or Google Merchant Center management services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on the link in the description and you can start with us. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share this video. And in case if you want to see videos like this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you are left with questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.